In this video, I'm going to show you how to create bookmarks in Power BI. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so bookmarks in Power BI lets you save the current state of a report page. So these is filters, slices, visual, visibility, spotlight, etc. So users can quickly return to that view. Now these are commonly used for navigation, show hide panels, and creating interactive reports. Now, in order to create a bookmark, we want to go ahead and open up Power BI Desktop. From there, we want to go to the View tab. So select the View tab. Now, under View, we want to select Bookmarks. Now we can see bookmarks appearing on the right-hand side. Now, to add a bookmark, simply go ahead and click on Add. Now we can rename this bookmark. So just go ahead and click on the three dots, click on Rename, and then rename this bookmark to whatever you like. So basically, you want to set up reports exactly how you want it, and then you can apply filters or slices, show or hide visuals using the selection pane, drill down if needed, and then, obviously in the bookmarks pane, click on Add, and then rename the bookmark to something meaningful like Sales Overview, Region Filter, etc. Now, if you want to change your report view later, you can. So go ahead and select the bookmark and then make the desired changes. Then click the three dots next to it and then select Update, and that's going to go ahead and update that bookmark.